Hello students, today we will do properties of rectangle, square and rhombus. First of all, properties of rectangle. See, this is rectangle. The properties are opposite sides are parallel and equal. This side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. Each angle P, Q, R and S, each angle is of 90 degree. Next property, diagonals. See, these are two diagonals. Diagonals bisect each other. That means OP is equal to OR. OS is equals to OQ. And also the diagonals of rectangle are equal. PR is equal to QS. See, diagonals of rectangle are equal means PR is equal to QS. This is first property. QS is equal to PR means diagonal bisect each other. QS PR and also the diagonal bisect each other. See here, all angles of rectangle are right angles. The diagonals of the rectangle are equal and as well as they bisect each other. It is not mentioned in your book, but just remember it, bisect each other. Now properties of rhombus. See, in rhombus, see this is a rhombus. It is having some property of square also. The basic difference between square and rhombus is in square all the four sides are equal, but each angle is of 90 degree. In rhombus all the four sides are equal, but each angle is not 90 degree. See, this is square AB, BC, CD, DA, all the four sides are equal. Each angle, here again the diagonal bisect each other. AO is equal to OC, OB is equal to OD and bisect each other at right angle. Means these all four angles are right angles. 90, 90, 90, 90. Means angle AOD, DOC, COB is equal to 90 degree. The diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angle. The next property, the diagonals of rhombus bisect the interior angle. That means, suppose this angle is, this angle A, suppose 120 degree. So this will be 60, this will be 60. So this is the meaning of bisecting. All the sides of rhombus are equal. The diagonals of rhombus bisect interior angle. Diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. Diagonals of rhombus cut at right angles. That means, see in this figure, bisect means angle A is equal to angle B, angle Y is equal to angle X. And all these four angles, they are of 90 degree. AO is equal to OC, OD is equal to OB. This is the meaning of bisecting. But in rhombus, the diagonals of rhombus are not equal. Now properties of square. All the sides of square are equal. The diagonals of square are equal as well as rectangle are equal. And bisect each other at right angle. This property is as similar as with rhombus. The diagonals of square are equal and bisect each other at right angle. Third, the angle which a diagonal make with the side of the square is 45 degree. Means this is a square. AB, BC, CD, D, AD, all the four sides are equal. Each angle, see this, is of 90 degree. AC is equal to BD, diagonals are equal. And C is AC, this is AC. This complete angle is 90 degree. So this half angle will be 45 degree. You can use directly this one also, that the diagonals make 40 degree angle with the side of the square. See properties of kite. See, this is the figure of kite and this adjacent sides are equal. AD is equal to DC. AB is equal to BC. There are the two diagonals BD and OC. BD and AC. And both the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. The diagonals are perpendicular to each other. That means AC perpendicular BD. Diagonal BD bisects angle B as well as angle D. This diagonal BD bisect these two angles. It means this angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. OA is equal to OC. OA is equal to OC. Diagonal BD divides a kite into two congruent triangles. See, this triangle and this triangle, they both are congruent. Next, properties on isosceles trapezium. This is isosceles trapezium. Opposite sides are parallel and non-parallel sides are equal. In the isosceles trapezium, the sum of adjacent angles is 180 degree. They are co-interior. These two are parallel. This is a transversal. They are co-interior. So angle x plus u is 180. Y plus z is 180. Since it is isosceles, so x is equal to y, angle A is equal to angle B, angle C is equal to angle D. The co-interior angles are supplementary. A plus D 180. See this one, diagonals are equal. Whenever you will draw the diagonals in this isosceles trapezium, the diagonals are equal. Now start exercise 13b. For each of the statement given below, indicate if it is true or false. First, rectangle is a parallelogram. Yes. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Parallelogram also, opposite sides are equal. A square is a rectangle. Yes. Because in square, all the four sides are equal. Means you can say opposite sides are also equal. Rectangle, opposite sides are equal. A parallelogram is a rhombus. No, in rhombus, all the four sides are equal. But in parallelogram, only the opposite side. So, false. A square is a rhombus. Yes. In square, four sides equal. In rhombus, four sides equal. A rectangle is a square. No. In square, all the four sides are equal. But in rectangle, only the opposite sides are equal. A square is a parallelogram. Yes. Because parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. In square, also opposite sides are equal. What kind of quadrilateral is formed when the midpoint of the side of the following are joined? Suppose rectangle. See, this is the figure of rectangle. Whenever you will join the midpoint, see. This is the figure of rhombus. Rhombus will be formed. In the case of rhombus, whenever you will join the midpoint, rectangle will be formed. In kite, rectangle will be formed, and in isosceles trapezium, rhombus will be formed. Third, ABCD is a rectangle. EFGH is a rhombus. PQRS is a square. Completed. FH, this one side. FH perpendicular on C. This is FH. This side FH is perpendicular on EG. GE. GE bisects HF at right angle because it is a rhombus. Third, angle FEH. FE this one, this angle FEH is equal to 130. So EHG. EHG. See, this will be, these two are co-interior angles. So 180 minus 30, 50 degree. If PQ is 4, here, if PQ is 4, PS will be 4 because in square all the four sides are equal. HE is 12, HE is 12. So GH will also 12 because it is rhombus. AC is 4, here AC is 4. So BD will also 4 because diagonals are equal. EHG, this side is 48. So HG, only the half angle. First of all, by co-interior angle, calculate complete G. 180 minus HGF is 180 minus 48. That is 132. So this is half angle. So half of angle HGF, that is 66. Angle EOF is 90 degree because rhombus, diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. Next question, fourth. The diagonal of rectangle ABC intersect at O if angle BOC is 44. Find angle OAD. See, diagonal bisect each other at O. This angle is given 44 degree. So just write here Y and write here X. These are vertically opposite angle. Y is 44, vertically opposite angles. Diagonals of rectangle are equal and bisect each other. So AC is equal to BD. Half of AC is equal to half of BD because they can bisect. Half of EC means OD and half of BD means OA. Now OD is equal to this side is equal to this side. It means this DOA is isosceles trapezium. Since these two sides are equal, so opposite angles are also equal. If it is x, then it will also x by isosceles triangle property. Now take only this triangle ODA. X plus 44 is equal to 180 degree by Engelson property. Calculate x. 2x 136, x is 68 degree. That means angle AOD is 68 degree. Next question. ABCD is rhombus with angle ABC. See this one. ABCD is a rhombus. This angle is 56. Determine angle CAD. This one angle. This is 56. You have to calculate this angle. Suppose this is angle Y and this is angle X. Angle BOA is 90 degree. Why? It is given here 90 degrees. So this will also vertically opposite angle, and also diagonal of rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. Now in triangle OBA, this is 90, this is 56. We can calculate this X. So whenever we will calculate X by Engelson property, it is 34. Now this is a property of the diagonal of rhombus that it bisects the interior angle. X will equal to Y because diagonal of rhombus bisect interior angles. So Y is equal to X is 34 degrees. It means angle CAD is 34 degree. Next question. ABCD is a rhombus. DAC is 50. Find ACD, CAB and ABC. See. ABCD is rhombus. This angle is 50 degree. And you have to calculate this angle and this angle. See. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. This is a transversal. So Y will also 50 degree because diagonals of rhombus bisect interior angle. Now Y is equal to X, alternate angles. So X will be 50 degree. Now Z, see Z, angle B and angle A, they are co-interior angles. So Z plus 50 is equal to 180 degree co-interior angle. So Z will be 80 degree. This is your answer. Seventh, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel DC, angle AB 40. What are the measures of the other two angles? See, this is a trapezium. This is 40 degree. This is 40 degree. You have to calculate these two angles. See, they are parallel lines. This is transversal. So 40 degree plus x is 180. Co-interior x is 140. Same here. You can do this also. And also you can use the property of isosceles trapezium, that if angle is angle B, so trapezium will be isosceles. And if angle is angle B, trapezium is isosceles, so angle C will be equal to angle D. So only you have to calculate one angle. So angle D is 180 minus 40, co-interior 140, and you can write directly angle A is 140. You can do by any of method. Question number 8. Calculate the angles marked with small letters in the following diagram. So in these diagrams, you have to calculate the angles. First figure is of rectangle. See, you have to calculate this x. See, diagonals of rectangle are equal and bisect each other. That means AC is equal to BD, half of AC, half of BD. That means OA is equal to OB. OA, OB, that means triangle is isosceles. So in triangle AOB, Y will also 21 degree by isosceles triangle property. If opposite sides are equal, then opposite angles are equal. This is isosceles triangle property. Now, in rectangle ABCD, this complete angle B, it is of 90 degree. So x will be 90 minus 21, 69 degree. See, this is the second figure. Again, it is rectangle given. So you have to calculate this. You have to calculate A and B. Again, x is equal to 102. Vertically opposite angle. Again, diagonals of rectangle are equal and bisect each other. That means PR is equal to QS. Half of PR, half of QS. So OS is equal to OR. Now, OS is equal to OR. That means it is isosceles triangle, so Y is equal to B by isosceles triangle property. Now B in triangle OSR, B plus 102 is equals to B plus 102 is equals to 180 degree by angle sum property. So calculate B. It is 39 degree. Now you have to calculate A. In rectangle PQRS, this complete angle R is 90 degree. So angle A is 90 minus 39, that is 51 degree. These two parts do in your homework. It is a rhombus. So use the rhombus property here, and it is square. Use the square property. In this, it is 90 degree. So 90 degree minus 34, you can calculate easily x. Whenever it is x, so this angle will be this and this angle will be alternate, and this angle is equal to this angle because diagonals of rhombus bisect interior angle. So just and calculate this one also. So okay students, complete your work. Bye bye.